Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by charging the device fully for 2 hours with the included USB-C cable. Inspect the silicone surface and check seams for any tears or damage before use. Wash the external surface with warm water and mild soap for 30 seconds, then dry with a lint-free towel. Apply a pea-sized amount of water-based lubricant to the contact area to improve comfort and reduce friction. Keep the charging port closed and confirm the battery indicator shows full before starting operation. Hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the device on and enter the lowest intensity. Begin with level 1 and use that setting for 30 seconds to acclimate to the sensation. Gradually increase through intensity levels 2, 3, 4, and 5 as needed for comfort and effectiveness. Position the head 1 to 2 inches from the target area for gentle stimulation or use direct contact for stronger feedback. After use, hold the power button again for 2 seconds to turn the device off and lock the control. After use, clean the device with warm water and mild soap or use a 70% isopropyl wipe if preferred. If the device is not rated IPX7, do not fully submerge. Instead, wipe the surface and allow it to air dry for 10 minutes. Check seals and the charging port before storing to prevent moisture damage. Store the device in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and keep the charger separate. Replace any device showing cracks or persistent odor before further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.